Okay, everyone. Sorry about that. Hey, everyone. So, Forrest here. I just brought this in my room so I can make a video on it. Uh, we just got this out of my dad just got this out of the attic. Uh, Mind you, this wasn't his, but we do own it. Uh, Inherited. Uh, so, yeah. So this is an old O-scale train set. Uh, we inherited it from my great grandfather. So yeah, so all this stuff is probably 50 years old. But yeah, so this box weighs 1,000 pounds. So don't mind all of this stuff. This is for my main channel. Anyways, so as you can see, all of this is rusted pretty bad. But hopefully, oh, what the heck? Okay, so this, okay, so that's, oh yeah, it moves okay. And then this, how do these move smoothly? They are rusted to absolute crap, man. Like, these, they're possibly locked up, I don't know. Those gears even moving in there? No, it doesn't even look like it's touching. The coils seem fine. There's like some like crap on there. All this is like super dirty and rusty. But what do you expect? It's 50 years old. So all this track is old and rusty. Got some old oh crap, this is a Lionel. So I'm assuming, oh yeah, holy crap, this is a Lionel. That's cool. So this is the thing that connects to the back of the engine. I'm assuming this is, you can see more rust. All this stuff is super dirty and rusty, but what do you expect when this wire is screwed? Got some rolling stock here. Yeah, this is NYC. My god, dude. I am honestly really impressed with the condition. Like, it's actually in weirdly good condition, which is like insane to me considering it's 50 years old. You can see some cobwebs. Ooh, that wheel is, holy crap. So yeah, so here's another thing. This one, not this one. The Katie. All this stuff is super old, super dusty. But it's Lionel, so it should work, considering Lionel is good quality. We've got, see, built by Lionel. So this guy would normally, I guess, spin around. It somewhat works. Like, we might need to connect something in there, but yeah. I don't know what this guy would do. He would do something probably like dance around or something, I don't know. And then we got an old tank. Yeah, got an old tank here. So yeah. So I'm hoping for all this to work, but considering it's a Lionel, it should be fine. Despite the rust, I'm not taking any of this out. Yeah, but like, all this is old wire, there's old wires. This wire's still in there. Yeah, all this track is absolutely rusted. Yeah. But this is a pretty cool thing. I'm hoping it works. Traintastic, because I went to Traintastic the other day, actually has this type of O-scale track. So yeah. But anyways, this is just a quick video, unedited. I'm just gonna immediately post this right after I'm done here. So yeah. But anyways, yeah. So, have a good day, afternoon, and night, everyone. Love y'all.